have this kitchen curtain that needs no drilling in the wall. Like all you need to do is like press it on the side, and then like do for this one here, like you will be installing it and squeezing it from the sides. So what we need to do is like push all the way here, so it will go all the way from the sides. And what we're gonna do, it gives you like basically which side is the left side and which side is the right side, and you put it all the way up, all the way up here and all the way up there. And then what you do is push all the way, so to make it stay in place, because it's a no drilling kind of curtain. It comes with this, which is very nice and convenient, and you start like pulling this so it stays like firmly in place, and you keep going until you feel like it's all the way fixed in place. Okay, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, I feel like it's becoming really tight right now. And now let's try it. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. Then as you see, it comes with these two of them, so you can hold it and bring it down like this. It's a blackout curtain. It has, from the inside, it has like this heat, like foil kind of material, so it isolates the heat, it isolates the sun, it isolates everything from the outside. It comes in multiple colors to suit your taste. I've got like this white color because I love it. It's beautiful. It's super easy to install and super easy to use, and you can use any height of it. So you can put it halfway, all the way down, all the way up. It's super nice, really elegant accordion style. It's really high quality. I really love it. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching.